Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1898, 400 people traveled by railway from the Williamsburg Depot to Newport News. Their destination was the Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company for the unveiling of a new design of armored vessels. The event drew large crowds for the launching of Battleship, Kentucky. This week in 1914, the Williamsburg Drug Company installed a soda fountain. This drink dispenser was the first of its kind in the city and a favorite spot for locals for many years. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.